this video, I'll show you how to sell on Amazon through Indiamart. Now, there's no special integration between the two. The goal here is to use Indiamart as your supplier. Buy products from them at a decent price, resell them at a less decent price. So let's head over to indiamart.com and let's have a look at what I'm talking about. So let's say I wanted these PVC pipes. I can see here that the first two options are leading suppliers, so let's click on one of them. And now, of course, I can do my regular buying things, enter my quantity and submit requirements. But what's more important before we do any of that is to haggle. So if you use Indiamart, what you can see is you have a view mobile number and contact supplier. And it might be good to just have a chat with them over the phone and then continue via mail because, of course, a paper trail is always best. So all you want to do is negotiate good prices from Indiamart, resell them on your Amazon store. And that's really all there is to it, guys. There's no special integration, but Indiamart can be a very good supplier depending on where you yourself are located and where you ship to. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.